Linking your bank account to Glacier Bank is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Access the Glacier Bank website. Visit the official Glacier Bank website using your preferred web browser. Make sure you're on the correct site to ensure security and access to the right services. Step 2. Log into your account. Click on the Login button located on the homepage. Enter your username and password to access your online banking account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 3. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Link Accounts section in a menu. This area allows you to manage your linked accounts and add new ones. Step 4. Enter bank information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank details, review the information and confirm that it is correct. Click on the Save or Link Account button to finalize the process. You may receive a confirmation message once the linking is successful. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to Glacier Bank and enjoy seamless banking services. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.